In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Canva with Mailchimp for email design, step by step, so you can create better-looking emails faster and with less hassle. This is a really useful setup if you design graphics in Canva and want to bring them into your Mailchimp email campaigns without constantly downloading, uploading, and switching between tools. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Mailchimp in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Integrations option. This is usually where Mailchimp keeps all the tools and apps that can connect to your account. Go ahead and click Integrations to open the Integrations area. Now, in the Integrations list, find Canva and click Connect Canva. This tells Mailchimp that you want to link your Canva account so you can use design assets more easily inside your email workflow. After you click that, you'll see a Connect button. Click Connect to begin the linking process. Mailchimp may take a moment to prepare the connection, so just wait for the next screen to load. When it appears, click Continue. This moves you forward to the account authorization step, where Canva needs permission to connect with Mailchimp. Next, log into your Canva account if prompted. Make sure you use the same account that contains the designs or brand assets you want to work with. Once you're signed in, Canva will ask you to approve the connection. Click Allow to give Mailchimp access to connect with Canva. And that's it. Canva and Mailchimp are now integrated. At this point, you can start using your Canva designs as part of your email design workflow, which makes it much easier to create polished, branded emails in less time. This is especially helpful if you're building newsletters, promotional emails, or any campaign where visuals matter. If you want to keep learning simple software setup tutorials like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.